Hey everyone, good morning. This is Mia Vishkatadani, and the bulletin of the day starts with AMD launches enhanced software for gamers, Samsung Developer Conference showcases AI innovation, JioCinema appoints Ishan Chatterjee as Chief Business Officer, TP-Link launches networking certification in India, Digisol expands partner program across India, Zoom launches Zoom phone services in India, Konica Minolta unveils Acuro Press C14000 printer. In the previous quiz, we asked you what is the name of Apple's mobile operating system. The answer is iOS. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What was the first computer virus? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to see if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. AMD has released an update, AMD software. Adrenaline Edition 24.9.1 featuring AMD Fluid Motion Frames, a new technology to improve gaming performance. AFMF2 uses AI to enhance frame generation, resulting in smoother gameplay, particularly during action-packed moments. This update broadens compatibility with thousands of games and supports AMD Radeon RX 6000 and 7000 series graphics card. New features include support for Vulkan and OpenGL games and interoperability with Radeon Chill for low latency frame capping. This performance also optimizes for several popular titles, enhancing for overall gaming experience for AMD users. Moving ahead, Samsung Electronics has hosted its annual developer conference in San Jose, marking 10 years of collaboration with developers. CEO J.H. Han emphasized the company's commitment to personalized AI technology aimed at enhancing security, user experience, and family care. Next year, Samsung will unify its software under the One UI brand, offering up to 7 years of upgrades. Key highlights include AI enhancements in smart TVs, integration with ChatGPT, and improvements in smart things for better home management. Samsung also stressed security through its Knox framework and blockchain solutions. The conference underscored Samsung's vision for making AI accessible and beneficial for everyone, inviting developers to participate in this. Now we have JioCinema, owned by Reliance Industries, which has appointed Ishan Chatterjee as its new business officer, enhancing its digital services. Chatterjee, who previously served as managing director at YouTube India, will be focusing on expanding revenue in the sports and entertainment sectors, particularly for small and medium-sized businesses. Reporting to Kiran Mani, CEO of Viacom 18 Media Private Limited, he brings over 20 years of experience, including a significant role in YouTube's growth in India. JioCinema recently surpassed 15 million paying subscribers and has introduced new subscription plans, including a ₹29 monthly premium option, to compete with global OTT platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. Moving ahead with our fourth news, TP-Link India has introduced global certification for networking and surveillance professionals. Omada Certified Network Administrator and TP-Link Security Associate. These certification aims to equip partners with essential skills for evolving tech landscape. OCNA Wireless certification consists of one-day course that includes hands-on training with Omada hardware and software. TP-Link is offering online prep sessions to help participants prepare for certification exams. Interested partners can check link schedules on the TP-Link training platform or reach out for more information. These initiatives will help professionals enhance their skills in networking and surveillance. For the fifth news, Digisol System Limited has successfully rolled out its Digitech SI Partner Engagement Program in major Indian cities, promoting its Made in India products. Key markets include Bhatinda, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, and Bangalore. This initiative strengthens partnership with system integrators and IT professionals, providing a collaboration. Krishna Garkhade, head of marketing, expressed excitement over positive feedback, emphasizing Digisol's commitment for premium marketing solution. The program highlights a range of Indian manufactured products contributing to technological self-reliance. As Digisol expands its reach, it aims to better serve sectors like education, healthcare, and smart cities, driving India's digital transformation through innovation and collaboration. Now, Zoom Video Communication has officially launched Zoom phones in India, enhancing communication for multinational and local enterprises. Initially available in Maharashtra, the service will soon expand to key tech hubs like Bangalore and Chennai. Zoom phones offer local numbers and integrate seamlessly with existing collaboration tools. With a reliability rate of 99.999%, it supports video calls, video meetings, and online chats. Key features include interactive voice response and local servability during outages. The service also incorporates AI capabilities for productivity, allowing users to summarize calls and prioritize messages, reinforcing Zoom's commitment to cloud-based communication solution. Lastly, we have Konica Minolta, which has launched the AccuPress C14000, a high-speed digital printing press designed for production printers and print shops. This machine is the fastest of its kind, boosting a print resolution of 36,000 into 24,000 dpi for high-quality images. It can handle a variety of media types, from lightweight paper to thick cardstock, and even offers banner printing capabilities. The C14000 features intelligent automation, which reduces manual intervention and improves efficiency. With a high duty cycle of 2.5 million print, it ensures reliability in demanding environments. This printer is set to elevate the standards for digital printing in the industry. This was all for today. For more such tech updates, make sure to follow IT Voice and like and share this video.